Let's make a mango coconut smoothie. I really wanted to add peaches too.
You'll need coconut milk, yogurt, frozen peaches, and frozen mangoes. Start out with 2 cups of coconut milk, or you could just use 1 whole can. Next, add 2 cups of frozen mango chunks. You definitely want to use frozen and not fresh so that you have a certain amount of thickness. After adding 2 cups of frozen mango chunks, grab your frozen peaches, and we're going to add 1 cup of frozen peaches to the blender as well. The last thing is going to be 1 cup of yogurt. You can use plain Greek yogurt or vanilla Greek yogurt. It's up to you.
And turn on the blender and blend it and blend it and blend it. After it's done blending, you pour it into a cup and it's almost time to drink it. And Mommy let me add a marshmallow this time. And it was so yummy.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up for me and then subscribe for more recipes and adventures.